guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another washing machine video. Today I'm going to show you how to add fabric softener to your LG washing machine. I will put the make and model of this washing machine down in the description box. I am using Suavitel. I already have it measured out according to the package directions. Before we put it in, I'm going to show you the settings. I have it on water level auto, cold plus. I have a quick wash. This is the most important. Deep rinse, use with softener. This is what you want to have it on so that the softener dispenses properly. And then I have a regular or normal wash boost. I have already added my clothes in. The Tide Pods at the very bottom. This right here in the middle is where you add your fabric softener. So we're just going to go ahead and add that right in there. And you even see it says liquid softener only. We'll close this up. Everything's already ready to go. All you have to do is press that once and it's going to start the wash. All right, guys, if you have any other questions on how to use your LG washer, be sure to ask them down in the comments. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.